Hi, I'm Paul Youngert with Satellite Industries. Thanks for watching our How-To Truck series. Today we're going to cover daily vacuum truck inspection. Let's get going. There's a few things we suggest you inspect daily to ensure that your vacuum truck operates properly throughout the day. You must refer to local and state DOT regulations and any internal company policies. At the beginning of each day, you should start with a pre-trip inspection of your tank, equipment, and supplies. Make sure you have all necessary PPE and safety apparel. Stock all necessary supplies, including toilet paper, cleaning supplies, hand sanitizer, hand soap, blue tank deodorizer, and anything else that you might need to service your restrooms throughout the day. This would be a great time to check your vacuum pump and hydraulic system. Make sure that all of the oil and fluids are topped off. You'll also want to make sure that the water pump is functioning properly. You'll also want to fill your water tank at this time, if it's not already full, and secure the portable restrooms that you need to deliver for the day. For more detailed inspection, you can also refer to the routine maintenance videos. At the end of each day, take a few minutes and follow these steps to ensure that your tank and equipment are in optimal condition. Dump the waste, clean the service area and cab, drain the muffler and the secondary, and follow your company's post-trip policy. Thanks for watching our How-To Truck series on daily vacuum truck inspection. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 1-800-883-1123 or visit the website, satelliteindustries.com. Get back to pumping, stay safe.